Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today, I also how to remove the front bumper from a first generation Ford Edge. First thing to do is go in the wheel well and remove these hex screws holding the liner to the bumper. I'm using a 7/32 inch socket for these. If you have fog lights, you'll need to unplug those. And I can reach right through here and get access to that plug. And here's what the plug for the fog light looks like. Next, take a look under the front bumper and you can see some more of those 7/32 inch screws going across. Right there. Those need to come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 2 more left over here attaching this mud flap. Take those out and it's time to move up top. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plastic fasteners to remove. This one isn't a screw. The other 3 have a Phillips head. So maybe those 3 are original and this one was replaced. These are easy to remove. Just use 2 small flatheads. Pry it up at the indents and it pulls right out. And there's 2 10mm bolts too. Those plastic Phillips head screws can be stubborn. Only 1 out of the 3 came out with ease. Sometimes you have to pry them up. Those really tiny flathead screwdrivers work pretty well. Then lift up the plastic. And the other half of the connector comes right out. Next, give the bumper a steady pull outward where it meets the fender. Pull from the back here. And the whole bumper and grille will now slide forward. Notice I've got a mat ready to set the bumper on so it doesn't get scratched by the concrete floor. Here's what the back looks like. Let's remove that fog light. There's 2 metal clips holding on each fog light. I'm just prying one up with a flathead. And the other. And the fog light is free. Pop it back on so I don't lose it. The upper and lower grille are separate pieces, but there's these thick plastic clips to remove, and they pretty much go all the way around the perimeter. They're kind of a pain to remove. And then this lower unpainted section, it has this big metal rivet on each end, and then the clips all the way across. Then the lower plastic splitter, more rivets. At least they use the 7/32 inch screws all the way across instead of those plastic clips. Thanks for watching. I'll have some more videos on how to take apart this Ford Edge here at the 6th Gear Garage.